Hi Pisces, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to mid-month check-in. So just wanted to check on what you're dealing with now, how your energies are, and if you need any guidance. Let's see. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, okay? So take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin here. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, let's go, and thank you all my subscribers. You've been very, very, very kind to me. Thanks for liking, sharing, commenting. I love your comments. And if you're new here, please join the Omkara family and subscribe, join us. With that said, let's begin. This card did pop out, so I kept it. I don't know how it's going to relate to our reading, but this is the Four of Cups. Tells me you're feeling a little down and out, or is it somebody you're dealing with? Let's see. And we're good to go. Yeah, something is not moving the way you would want it to, Pisces, it seems. Let's see. Current energy. Page of Wands. Got some news. Some news has come in, which, what crosses it? About something which has not gone right. Either there's been a fight with someone or confusion, maybe regarding the home, house. Too many people involved here. There has been something which has happened, and maybe there's some news regarding it which is not making you feel very happy at the moment, Pisces. There was you really wanted to move ahead in a very strong way. You really wanted to move ahead with this. That was your goal, to charge ahead with this plan or a person or whatever you were dealing with here. And now you feel rather confused, there's no clarity. You're thinking of all the options of how you can deal with the situation. Let's see what happened in the recent past to do that. Queen of Swords. So this was probably regarding something to do with work, maybe. Somebody said something harsh, something got cut out. Let's clarify these cards till now, and then we'll go to these later, because this is going to be our future energy, right? So let's, Spirit, what is this Page of Wands for Pisces? Something went out of balance, Pisces. Something which you were really wanting should come together in a very harmonious way. Didn't come about the way you thought or wished it would. This was a message regarding that, and this kind of led to some instability, where maybe there was a fight, where one person was trying to hurt the other person. It could be somebody was rude to the other person. It definitely was, became like a fight. And now you're going kind of back and forth in your mind and not knowing how to deal with this. So what was this Chariot, Spirit? Why was Pisces' goal the Chariot? Queen of Swords in reverse. You weren't looking for, yes, you were angry and you were bitter and you were upset, or maybe the other person was, but you really didn't want this fight to become as big as maybe it has. Maybe this fight has escalated now and it's left you feeling very, very confused. Seven of Cups, Spirit. Too many cards. Yes, there was something that maybe you and this person had planned, maybe for your future, and you both were in a very, very good space, and this probably was, maybe could have been a partnership as well, right? Where you wanted some stability coming out of that, you wanted to feel abundant in that. It really didn't happen that way. It really didn't happen that way, and now you're wondering what the future holds for you. Is this going to move ahead? Will I be probably, not in that stable place anymore? it's left you feeling a bit confused right now, and you don't seem very happy about it. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? What was this Queen of Swords? There's a King of Cups here, Pisces. There was a person who, even though shared a lot of love with you, they were probably emotionally a bit distant, or emotionally manipulated you. This didn't make you very happy, and you put your sword up here. Okay, one person just put their sword up because whatever this King of Cups was saying or not saying, okay, kind of hurt. Yeah, maybe there was some ego and pride here as well between both of you, or one of you. One person just took back their power and said, hey, I'm not dealing with this BS anymore. One more card, Spirit, for the Queen of Swords. Same card again, Seven of Cups, right? The confusion card. So yes, this became very confusing. You didn't know how to bring balance back into this maybe family dynamic, a happy home situation. Whatever happened in the past just led to some kind of imbalance where two people were not on the same page or are not on the same page, and you're going back and forth with this in your mind regarding this bad fight that has happened between both these people. So you and this other person. Let's see in your upcoming future. 10 of Wands. Feeling very burdened, I think. Feeling very burdened with what has gone down, and still trying, I think both of you here right now are trying to take back some sense of control in this situation, which seems very overburdening. Now this could be to do with some job, could be some work, could be a some plan that was made between the two of you. It's led you both to feel very burdened right now, as if you can't see the light of day right now because of what didn't happen, which led to all this confusion. Let's see, Pisces, how are you feeling at the moment? How do you see yourself? You are still in the 10 of Cups place, Pisces. Or you are quite emotionally satisfied. I don't think you're worrying about it too much. It could be more your other person who's more grieving or feeling bad. You seem to be fine, or at least that's how you're trying to portray yourself at the moment. So, Spirit, 10 of Cups for Pisces. 10 of Cups for Pisces, please. You're trying to keep illusions going, okay? You are maybe trying to keep something hidden. You're not wanting to share, maybe with this person or your friends and family, whatever is secretive, what was done between you and this other person maybe, or what has gone wrong, or the fight, or this imbalance which has taken place in your life. You're still trying to keep it hidden. You're trying to show on the outward that you're in a very happy space and there's nothing wrong and you're absolutely in a very, very good place, but you know that this is just a cover-up. This is just a cover-up. In heart of hearts, this is what you feel like. You're feeling disappointed, right? You're feeling a bit disappointed and a little sad. Let's take one more card for the 10 of Cups, Spirit, and the Moon. Not feeling very happy. Heart of Hearts, you're not feeling very happy. This came sideways, so this is crossing it, right? You want to be in this space, but this is how you're feeling. You're desperately trying to show that you are absolutely okay and nothing is bothering you. Let's see how this person sees you, Pisces. They see you as the 7 of Wands in reverse. They see you as if, you are not even fighting for them anymore, or fighting for whatever happened between both of you. You've kind of let down your barriers and you are looking pretty happy and moving ahead in your own life as if nothing is really bothering you at the moment. This is how they see you. They really don't see you perturbed at all. I think they're keeping a close watch on you as well, Pisces. They're watching you very closely as to see how whatever fight has happened or whatever wrong has happened in your life, how it's affecting you. They know that you are still in troubled water. The heart of hearts, this person or maybe other people around you know that there is something wrong which you are trying to pretend or behave in a way as if it's not, as if nothing is bothering you. Let's see, what are your fears or what are your hopes? The Hierophant in reverse. You are scared, Pisces, that you're hoping this will not have any long-term repercussions. Maybe in a commitment or this business or work which has gone awry. You are a little afraid that it may affect your stability. You are afraid of this thing coming to maybe a stagnant place. This could be your relationship, it could be your commitment, it could be work, but you seem a bit afraid here that things will go back to a place where maybe you'll have to start from scratch or something. You see a lack of stability right now, and you're also fearing that maybe you will lose the love and happiness and joy that you had. These are your hidden fears, which you're not showing to anyone, Pisces. You're putting on this act of the Ten of Cups here. Let's see the outcome here. 5 of Swords. Pisces, you are still not out of the woods, I would say. This, whatever is happening here is not over. I had a paper which went right back. Spirit won that card. Okay, let's take a card for the 5 of Swords. This 5 of Swords has come in your foundation as well, right? Your current energy. This is something which went wrong. So this is still till the end of July. I don't think you're really out of the woods yet with whatever's gone wrong. And you feel, yes, this, things are coming to an end, things are coming to a close, and somewhere maybe you are blaming yourself also to say maybe I had a part in causing this destruction or things coming apart, this tower falling. You are kind of feeling that maybe you are blaming yourself for this lack of the 10 of Cups. This is how you see yourself in actuality, and this is how you are showing maybe the world that nothing is wrong. Okay, so till the end of July, Pisces, I still see you kind of going back and forth. You're still reminiscing about what went down, and things will get better, Pisces. Things will get better. All this stress and tension that you're holding, not being able to sleep, I think very soon, by the end of July, I think all this is going to come to an end. And if somebody is left, or you've left, or something has left your life, that thing will come back. Okay? And so don't worry about it. Maybe a fresh new cycle is beginning for you. I don't do this with the spread, but I'm going to take 3 cards of advice for you, Pisces. I think you may need it. So, Spirit, can you give us, please, 3 cups of advice? 3 cards of advice for my dear Pisces. I have the Tower again, Pisces. Yes, this could be something to do, Pisces, with the stability of your home. Could be related to money, I think, because I see a lot of pentacles in this. You may feel not financially very secure at the moment, okay? And this could feel like a Tower moment in your life where maybe you're feeling left out in the cold, not enough money or finances to go around. But Spirit is saying, don't worry, Pisces. Things are going to return back to normal very soon. Hold your ground. Don't this energy is not going to last forever. Okay, whatever's happened, yes, it seems like a Tower moment at this time, but things will return back to the way things were very, very soon. Just hold your ground here. So let's take an angel blessing card for you as well and see how the angels can bless you, Pisces. How can the angels bless my Pisces to deal with this troubled time that they find themselves in? Now, this could relate, Pisces, as I said, to a relationship, to a job, career, anything. So, use it the way you feel is most appropriate for your situation. These angels bless my Pisces with some advice. Yeah, see exactly what the reading was saying. Don't worry, what you think you're feeling or seeing is not the truth. There's lots going on in the background which you can't see. Very nice. Thank God we took these blessing cards, Pisces. Yes, Pisces. Chin up from now on. Don't worry, wise decisions will be made. Maybe whatever happened was a lesson that you learned, and from now on, maybe this is something you'll never repeat, or this won't be repeated. Because whatever has happened, you may feel everything's fallen apart, it'll never go right again. But see this lake, how placid it is. You can't see how much life there is under water, right? So Spirit is saying, look deeper. There's lots going on in the background which you probably can't see. You may think things are, never going to get okay, everything has come to a stop. But in the background of your life, there's lots happening. It's going to bring you so much peace and joy once again back in your life. But you have to keep a clear vision for your future. Okay? Instead of looking back to see what didn't happen, now start to look forward to see what else is out there and what you can manifest now. So whatever's happened, let it go. Just find the peace in it and look deeper. And I'm going to see you next week again, Pisces. If you are not a subscriber, please do join us next week again. And I'll leave you here. Love and light.